Probably like a couple days. If you want it short, like maybe 1 or 2 hours.
All right. Elise is talking about writing a book.
But I already wrote them.
I'm writing.
I planning to write a third one.
I'm writing.
Nice.
It's a mystery book.
I'm writing lots at once.
The Mystery of the Old House.
Yeah.
That's the first one.
Ooh. I
This
could
is
have, like,
Elise's
3
book.
books at once.
I need to write a book now since all of y'all are writing books.
I know.
You may have, well, yeah, it's kind of hard to fit them in a split tip. So that's why I did
Yeah.
grade.
All right, you guys, we're going to talk about adjectives today. This is kind of a big lesson in grammar. You already know about adjectives, so these are a specific kind. So you already know that they describe a noun or a pronoun. And often 2 or more adjectives come before a noun. In week 25, you learned that adjectives are coordinate. Remember when we talked about that? Those are the ones that need a comma between. If each adjective independently describes the noun that it follows, they're coordinate. Because the order of the coordinate adjectives is not important, the adjectives are separated with a comma. That's when you list adjectives in a row. But today we're going to talk about cumulative. That word, you might have heard it before when you're talking about a test, like a cumulative test, just means like, well, in adjective, if the first adjective describes the second adjective and the noun that it follows. So if they go right after each other and they describe one right after the other. And I'll give you an example in a second. Hi, Jada, come on in. We're on page 151.
Is
Lily. Have you seen Lily out there? No. Okay. We're on 151. Cumulative adjectives follow a specific order. It says quantity, opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. That's the order. We're going to talk about that more. It's 151. Comma, because cumulative adjectives must be arranged in a specific order, the adjectives are not separated by a comma. Okay, so do not use a comma to separate cumulative adjectives. There are 2 tests to help determine whether the adjectives before a noun are coordinate or cumulative. So basically, those are the 2 types of adjectives you can have before a noun, coordinate or cumulative. I know they're big words, they're weird words, but we got this. We got this, you guys. Okay, these are the 2 tests. Can you reverse their order? Can you add and between them? If you answer yes, the adjectives are coordinate. Use a comma. If you answer no, the adjectives are cumulative. Do not use a comma. Look at the example right here. They entered the immense green forest. Yay, Lily's here. That means everybody's here. I can stop recording now. Everybody else is coming by Zoom.
I saw Zuli.
You can come up here so you're not all by yourself over there.
I had a Zoom. So.
Oh, okay. All right, everybody's here. Let me stop the recording. Okay, hold on. Let me stop that.